Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely Taigo R-Line we've currently got for sale, finished in King's Red Metallic. It's got that 1 litre TSI petrol engine producing 110 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. And you'll have peace of mind motoring as well with that full Volkswagen service history. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, you benefit from these LED headlamps, providing fantastic vision in all conditions. You've also got gloss black wing mirror covers which are power folded and heated. Privacy glass from the B pillar backwards, and these lovely optionally fitted 18-inch Misano alloy wheels. The generous amount of boot space with split folding seats, and also that adjustable boot floor which is currently in its lowest setting. Inside you get signature R-Line upholstery with the park cloth and Alcantara. There's also a couple of USB-C ports for rear passengers. At the front there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel alongside your centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. And just behind the wheel, you'll benefit from a full digital display housing all your after driving information, including some assistance systems. Alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, there's also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available, allowing you to mirror apps on your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. There's plenty of assistance systems on board to help keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, including side assist and much more. There's also multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. To help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings, and also an optionally fitted rear view camera. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control, as well as the optionally fitted heated front seat, so perfect for cold winter mornings, and a little bit of storage below with a couple of USB-C ports, as well as wireless phone charging. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or would like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.